Hello students, in this video I would like to discuss some of the objective questions on compound angles. The question number 1 is tan alpha tan beta are roots of this quadratic equation. They are asking here sin square alpha plus beta plus p into sin alpha plus beta into cos alpha plus beta plus q into cos square alpha plus beta required. See, first find out sum of the roots and product of the roots. Tan alpha, tan beta are the roots. That's why sum of the roots tan alpha plus tan beta equals to minus b by a. Minus p by a means coefficient of x square 1. Next, product of the roots tan alpha into tan beta. C by a. C means q. So q by 1 q. Now we can find tan of alpha plus beta. Tan of alpha plus beta equals to tan alpha plus tan beta by 1 minus tan alpha tan beta. Here tan alpha plus beta value is there minus p by 1 minus tan alpha into tan beta is q. Denominator minus common, so that is p by q minus 1. What is this? Tan of alpha plus beta value. Now given expression here required value, what? This is the required value. So this expression, given expression equals to sin square alpha plus beta plus p into sin alpha plus beta into cos alpha plus beta plus q into cos square alpha plus beta. Here convert in terms of tan. Given total expression we have to convert in terms of tan. If it is tan of alpha plus beta, this in the place of tan alpha plus beta we can substitute p by q minus 1. That purpose here write cos square alpha plus beta as common. Cos square alpha plus beta write as common. Now here this will be sin square alpha plus beta by cos square alpha plus beta plus p into sin alpha plus beta into cos alpha plus beta by cos square alpha plus beta plus q, because here cos square alpha plus beta is common. Here 1 cos alpha plus beta square gets cancelled. We have now cos square alpha plus beta sin by cos, this will be tan square alpha plus beta. Now p into sin alpha plus beta, sin alpha plus beta by cos alpha plus beta, tan alpha plus beta plus q. Now next, this cos square alpha plus beta also we can write as in terms of tan. How? This cos square, first of all it is 1 by secant square. Cos square theta is 1 by secant square theta. Secant square in terms of tan, 1 plus tan square. So tan square alpha plus beta plus p into tan alpha plus beta plus q by cos square means 1 by secant square. Cos square alpha plus beta, this is secant square. Secant square place I am writing 1 plus tan square theta. Cos square alpha plus beta means what actually? Cos square alpha plus beta means 1 by secant square alpha plus beta. This secant square alpha plus beta means secant square theta. We can write 1 plus tan square alpha plus beta. This is the way. So now here tan alpha plus beta value is there. Tan alpha plus beta is p by q minus 1 whole square p into tan alpha plus beta. This is tan alpha plus beta equals to p by q minus 1 plus q by 1 plus tan square means p by q minus 1 whole square. You have to simplify this. This is p square by q minus 1 whole square. Next step, p square by q minus 1 whole square, p into p square by q minus 1 plus q by denominator 1 plus p square by q minus 1 whole square. Now we can write numerator LCM as q minus 1 whole square. Q minus 1 whole square as LCM numerator. That's why p square plus p square into q minus 1 q into q minus 1 whole square, because q minus 1 whole square LCM in the numerator, as well as denominator also q minus 1 whole square LCM. So q minus 1 whole square into 1 q minus 1 whole square plus p square. Q minus 1 whole square, q minus 1 whole square gets cancelled. Numerator value here. So these simplify these two, p square plus p square into q, multiply these two, p square into q plus into minus p square plus q into q minus 1 whole square divided by p square plus q minus 1 whole square. Here plus p square minus p square gets cancelled. In these two, q common, remaining p square plus q minus 1 whole square by p square plus q minus 1 whole square. So p square, these two terms gets cancelled. Final answer is q. Let us start next question. Here un given. Listen, un given. Un means sin n theta secant power n theta given. Vn cosecant n cos n theta into secant power n theta. N values 0, 1, 2, 3 up to 0, 1, 2. That's all. Then they're asking here Vn minus 1 plus un minus 1 into tan theta. Vn given, un given. So find Vn minus 1 and un minus 1 first. Solution. Vn is there. That implies we can find what is Vn given. Cos n theta into secant power n theta. That implies we can find Vn minus 1. Put n equals to n minus 1. N place substitute n minus 1 we will get. So cos n minus 1 into theta secant power n minus 1 theta. Simplify this. Cos n minus 1 into theta secant power n minus 1 can be written as secant power n into secant power n theta by secant theta. N minus 1 means. This implies how much? Cos n minus 1 theta into cos n minus 1 theta secant power n theta 1 by secant we can write cos theta. This is Vn minus 1 value. Similarly, simplify Un minus 1. Un is how much? Sin n theta into secant power n theta. Sin n theta, this is sin n theta sin n theta sin n theta, next secant power n theta. This implies n place substitute n minus 1. Un minus 1 required. Sin n minus 1 into theta secant power n minus 1 theta. Simplify this. Sin n minus 1 into theta into secant power n minus 1 theta can be written as secant power n theta by secant theta. So this 1 by secant we can write cos. So finally sin n minus 1 theta into secant power n theta, 1 by secant is cos theta. Now take given expression. What is given expression here? Vn minus 1 plus un minus 1 into tan theta. Simplify this. So given expression equals to, substitute here, Vn minus 1 plus un minus 1 into tan theta. So what is Vn? Given cos n theta plus secant power n theta. Substitute here. Cos n theta into secant power n theta. Vn minus 1. I got cos n minus 1 theta into secant power n theta into cos theta plus un minus 1, that is sin n minus 1 into theta secant power n theta, next cos theta into tan theta, also given tan theta also there here last, into tan theta. Vn minus 1 plus this is right. Next cos n theta into secant power n theta minus, in these two, in all cases secant power n theta, secant power n theta, secant power n theta. You can write secant power n theta as outside. Secant power n theta common you can write. In all terms secant power n theta common is there. That's why write secant power n theta as common. Remaining terms here, cos n theta in this minus n minus 1 theta into cos theta, here plus sin n minus 1 into theta into cos theta. This tan theta can be written as sin theta by cos theta. Now cos theta gets cancelled. After that secant power n theta cos n theta, in these two minus common, minus term common. So cos n minus 1 theta into cos theta, here in these two minus right outside, that's why this will be sin n minus 1 theta into sin theta. This is the remaining. Now it is in the form of what? Cos A cos B minus sin A sin B. So secant power n theta into cos n theta minus, this is A B cos A cos B minus sin A sin B. Formula cos of A means n minus 1 theta, cos of A plus B means here theta. So this is A, this is B. So now simplify. Secant power n theta into cos n theta minus cos n theta minus theta plus theta multiplying n minus n theta minus theta. So minus theta plus theta gets cancelled. So secant power n theta into cos n theta minus cos n theta. Cos n theta plus cos gets cancelled. So this is 0. 0 into something 0. Answer will be 0. If tan beta equals to 2 sin alpha sin gamma cosecant alpha plus gamma, then cot alpha, cot beta and cot gamma are in dash. AP, GP, HP, AGP. First, write given expression here. Given tan beta equals to 2 sin alpha sin gamma alpha plus gamma. Here tan beta equals to 2 sin alpha sin gamma cosecant alpha plus gamma I can write it as 1 by sin alpha plus gamma. Write reciprocal of this expression. 1 by tan beta equal to sin alpha plus gamma by 2 sin alpha plus 2 sin alpha sin gamma. Just reciprocal of this expression. Reverse. Now numerator 1 by tan beta can be written as in terms of cot, because here cot alpha, cot beta, cot gamma required. 1 by tan beta can be written as cot beta equals to, we can express this numerator, we can expand like sin of a plus b. Sin a plus b formula, sin a cos b plus cos a sin b cos a sin b by 2 sin alpha sin gamma. Is 2 right in this side, left hand side. 2 cot beta equals to sin alpha cos gamma plus cos alpha sin gamma divided by sin alpha into cos gamma. Now split numerator, sin alpha cos gamma by sin alpha cos gamma by sin alpha cos gamma. This is sin gamma, not cos gamma, this is sin gamma. Here also it is sin gamma plus cos alpha sin gamma by sin alpha sin gamma. Sin gamma cancel here. Sin alpha cancel. What about remaining? Cos gamma by sin gamma, that is cot gamma. Cos alpha by sin alpha, cot alpha. So 2 cot beta equals to 2 cot beta equals to cot alpha plus cot gamma means 2b equals to like a plus b. Therefore, cot alpha gamma, cot beta gamma, cot gamma are in AP. This is the condition. 2b equals to a plus c implied a, b, c are in AP. So therefore here cot alpha, cot beta, cot gamma are in AP. So our answer is AP. The next question is, if tan beta equals to n tan alpha by 1 plus 1 minus n into tan square alpha, then tan alpha minus beta equals to required here. It's easy only. First, we have to expand tan of a minus b formula, and after that, instead of tan beta, substitute this value and simplify. Starting with tan of alpha minus beta. Tan a minus b formula, tan a minus tan b by 1 plus tan a tan b. Here, tan beta value substitute. Tan alpha minus tan beta place and tan alpha by 1 plus 1 minus n into tan square alpha divided by 1 plus tan alpha into tan beta means n tan alpha by 1 plus 1 minus n into tan square alpha. Now here take LCM as 1 plus 1 minus n into tan square alpha in numerator and denominator. Here multiplying tan alpha into this one. Here 1 into n tan alpha. Denominator also LCM is 1 plus 1 minus n into tan square alpha. So LCM is numerator LCM. 1 plus 1 minus n into tan square alpha. Here tan alpha into 1 plus 1 minus n into tan square alpha. Next, here what is this? Minus n tan alpha. So minus n tan alpha numerator, denominator as it is LCM minus n tan alpha. So denominator also LCM is 1 plus 1 minus n into tan square alpha. So 1 into here. 1 plus 1 minus n into tan square alpha. Next step here. N tan alpha into tan alpha. N into tan square alpha plus n into tan square alpha. Here 1 plus denominators both are cancelled. So numerator I am writing as tan alpha is there, here also tan alpha. So that's why tan alpha right outside, tan alpha as common. So remaining 1 plus 1 into tan square alpha minus multiplying this minus n tan square alpha minus n tan square alpha. Next here already tan alpha common, so minus n. Next denominator 1 plus multiply these two 1 into tan square alpha minus n tan square alpha minus n tan square alpha. Next plus n tan square alpha minus n tan square alpha plus n tan square alpha gets cancelled. So numerator here 1 plus tan square alpha, in these two we can write minus n as common. So tan alpha into numerator 1 plus tan square alpha, in these two minus n common, So 1 plus tan square alpha. 1 plus tan square alpha. Denominator 1 plus tan square alpha as it is. So numerator completely 1 plus tan square alpha, 1 plus tan square alpha has come. So tan alpha into 1 plus tan square alpha is common. So what about remaining here? 1 minus n. Denominator 1 plus tan square alpha as it is. So these two gets cancelled. So finally answer is 1 minus n into tan alpha. 1 minus n into tan alpha. So 1 minus n into second option is correct option. If an angle alpha is divided into two parts A and B such that A minus B equal to x and tan A is to tan B equals to k is to 1, then the value of sin x in terms of sin alpha required. Here alpha is divided into two parts means alpha can be written as A and B, A plus B. Also second equation is A minus B equal to x. In this question we are going to use one of the formula that is called componendo and dividendo. When A by B equals to C by D, A by B equals to C by D, then A plus B by A minus B is equals to C plus D by C minus D. Both are equal. If these two are equal, then these two also equal. This process is known as componendo and dividendo. That means numerator plus denominator by numerator minus denominator. Similarly, numerator plus denominator by numerator minus denominator. This is known as componendo and dividendo, C and D. See here given solution. A and B, alpha is A plus B equals to alpha and A minus B equals to x, given. Both are given. And start with tan A is to tan B is A is to 1. This is also given equation. This implies we can write what? Tan A by tan B equals to k by 1. Now apply componendo dividendo formula. So tan A plus tan B, numerator plus denominator by numerator minus denominator. Similarly, right hand side also k plus 1 by k minus 1 by componendo and dividendo formula. Numerator plus denominator by numerator. Both are, if these two are equal, that's why these two also equal. C and D means componendo and dividendo. Now here sin x, sin alpha required. That's why convert tan in terms of sin cos. Sin cos. That implies tan A formula sin A by cos A plus sin B by cos B. Denominator also sin A by cos A minus sin B by cos B. K plus 1 by k minus 1. Now take LCM here. Numerator LCM is cos A cos B. So sin A cos B plus cos A sin B. Denominator same LCM cos A cos B sin A cos B sin A cos B minus cos A sin B. Cos A cos B LCM gets cancelled. This side k plus 1 by k minus 1. What about here remaining terms? Sin A cos B plus cos A sin B formula, that is Sine of a plus b. Denominator sin a cos b minus cos a sin b. Formula sin a minus b. A plus 1 by k minus 1. We have a plus b. Sin a plus b. Sin a plus b have taken alpha given. A minus b is x equals to k plus 1 by k minus 1. That implies sin x right in this side, sin alpha equals to a plus 1 by k minus 1 into sin x. But in this question asking sin x value in terms of alpha. So take sin x. This fraction right in this side, this will be reciprocal. K minus 1 by k plus 1 into sin alpha. Therefore, sin x value is k minus 1 by k plus 1 into sin alpha. This is the answer, first option. Next. The next question is, if secant theta plus tan theta equals to 1, then the root of the equation a minus 2b plus c into x square plus b minus 2c plus a into x plus c minus 2a plus b equal to 0 is option secant theta, tan theta, sin theta, cot theta. Here clearly 1 is a root of this equation. If you observe this, substitute x equals to 1. 1 is clearly root. Why? When you substitute x equal to 1, this will be like a plus a 2a plus 2a minus 2a gets cancelled. Similarly, b plus b 2b minus 2b, c plus c 2c minus 2c cancel means 1 is one of the root. X equal to 1 is the root of this equation. Theta equal to 0 is the solution of this equation. Secant 0 1, tan 0 0. 1 equal to 1 means theta equal to 0 is the solution of the equation. So start solution. First given secant theta plus tan theta equals to 1. That implies theta equal to 0 degrees is the solution. Why? Secant 0 is 1. Tan 0 is, substitute here, secant 0 is 1. 1 plus 0 equals to 1. 1 equals to 1. That's why theta equal to 0 is the solution. Now when you substitute, this is equation number 1. Put x equals to 1 implies a minus 2b plus c plus b minus 2c plus a plus c minus 2a plus b equals to 0 here. See a plus a, 2a minus 2a gets cancelled. Similarly, in this b, 2b plus 2b minus 2b cancel. Next, here c, 2c plus 2c minus 2c gets cancelled. That implies 0 equal to 0. Therefore, 1 is root of equation 1. So put theta equal to 0 in all options. Secant 0 is 1. Tan 0 is 0. Sin 0 is 0. Cot 0 is undefined. Cot 0. So here theta equal to secant theta is 1. So actually 1 is the root. So 1 is getting from option 1. That's why first option will be the answer. That means secant theta is root of the given equation.